Hey guys, back with me again, Teddy here, and today we'll be learning a move called, let's just call this the flying footwork, or some people call this the gravity divine footwork. This move doesn't have the exact name, but at first I want to call this the two-step variations, but you know, it's not really a two-step because we are adding one more step, so it's a three steps. But it looks like the traditional two steps. So without getting frustration, let's just call this the flying footwork or gravity divine footwork. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. So the basic for this move is you need to master the normal two steps, and if you already can master two steps, then the rest of this video is very easy to follow along. Cool? Now let's start with the two steps. I'm gonna place my left hand on the ground and I keep my left leg straight because I'm kind of clockwise, so if you're clockwise, then do the reverse. Okay, now the next steps is we're gonna bend our left leg. We're gonna move our all body weight to the other side, for me to my right side, and I'm gonna swing my right leg. Okay, so the traditional way of doing the two step is we're usually gonna hook and turn. Okay, but for this flying footwork, we're gonna do the upper hook instead of the normal hook. So this is how the upper hook looks like. One more time from the very top. Left leg straight, left hand down, bend and switch upper hook. So the next step from here is you want to jump and push your left leg because this is the only foot that is on the ground. So push and jump. Again, a lot of things happen at the same time. You're gonna put your left hand on the ground, jump and open up. Okay, so you see when I jump to the back, it gives me time, so use that time to bring your bending leg, which is your right leg, out and back again to the normal two-step positions. So I'm going to try all the way from the top again. Here we go. One, jump, open up. Okay, from here, repeat the same thing. Bend, jump, open up. Okay, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel that when I'm going to the back by using the upper hook style, it's easier compared to the normal hook and hold myself up on the back. Okay, I don't know if you're feeling or having the same experience. Let me know in the comment section below. Good. So now I'm going to start very slow. Here we go. Now I'm going to speed it up. Hey guys, so I forget to mention one thing in the video. Now when doing the first one where I just show you guys the continuous of the variations, that's just the normal variations, okay? Because we haven't applied the flying or the divine gravity into it. But the second one, that's when we apply, and that is the key of the move. You can see when I go to the back after the upper hook, that is the key frame or the key thing that you need to take note. Okay, try to hold your body up. Okay, like if you are freezing or flying, and then unhook your leg from there, and then you continue to the steps again. Again, do the same thing, upper hook, and then jump to the back, freeze, or at least try to hold yourself up, At that moment, try to unhook again your leg and continue, okay? That is where we want to show, or you want to show your move that you are able to hold yourself up there and then continue with your footwork. That's the key, okay? Remember that. So you might wonder, Teddy, when I'm doing this move, why I feel so tired, especially when I'm doing slow. That's the key. If you're doing slow, it's very tiring. Okay, so try to do it fast. But even though you try to do it fast, make sure you clean it up, okay? Don't look very sloppy, going all around. Try to get the form right first and then apply the speed. Cool? So that's about it for the flying footwork of the Gravity Defy Footwork. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. That's about it, and I'll see you guys next time.